Hello to everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna have a quick look the very well demanded and requested Voyager. So first of all, apologies for not being with you yesterday. There is still a lot of videos you can check on my channel anyway, so I hope that didn't really cause any issues for you. On a different note, we did have a crash yesterday apparently, right? Obviously, a lot of altcoins and Bitcoin also. There was a bloodbath, and the biggest question is, has it really been that, and that's it? Are we going to continue higher, or there is another leg down? Well, in my opinion, guys, well, it's better to be safe than sorry, okay? So I'm not going to tell you what I did because I don't want you to consider that as an investment advice because I'm not here to give you advice. I'm here to educate you. And this, by the way, is not constituting investment advice. It is educational, okay? Now, that said, let's jump straight to the chart and see how we can educate you on Elliott waves on Voyager. Okay, as always, we've got this low down here. Okay, so this is where we can start drawing our nice channel. Okay, as you recall, I love to see wave 3 breaking to fresh highs always. Yeah, actually, let me just fix this a bit. This is a bit looking a bit extended over here. We'll go to $600. Okay, yeah, too optimistic, dude. Okay, so here where we are. Here's where we are. So we've got internally, you see the low is down here. So we've got the first wave, the second wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, perhaps the third wave, or we're gonna end it, and then the fifth. But let's have a quick look exactly at which waves we're looking, where are we heading, and how we can actually what we can learn from these particular charts. Now, I'm going to move straight to this chart over here because we prefer to see things a little bit closer, no? Zoomed in. Let's go down on the 4-day. Okay, 2 days should be too good, actually. Okay, so this is what we've got. Okay, so we've got wave 1 over here, guys. Wave 2, this looks like to me as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5, perhaps. Yeah, that is wave 1 there in the minor degree was a leading diagonal. Yeah, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for wave 3, and then that is perhaps 4, and we're going to get 5 for up here, right? Now, what we need to do first, yeah, is go all the way back where we started. Let's go as close to 0 as we can to wave 1 and then wave 2. Okay, this gives us an idea about where wave 3 is going to end. Okay, and it's anywhere between 15 and 25. I know, guys, that's a $10 range, but we are talking about crypto, and I want to tell you it will finish at 25. Okay, I can tell you though it could finish anywhere between 15 and 25. Actually, it can even go higher to 41 or even higher to 67 for wave 3. Yes, you heard it right. Might not be helpful for some, but here's what I say, and the truth is that when we're talking about long term as well, we need to go and look at the short term when we are in the future, right? Because we get markets are dynamic, we get new indications and new signals every day. So, in my opinion, we've got 2 scenarios over here, and now actually I will go a little bit further lower. Okay, let's go down to let's go to the 8-hour. Here's what I'm looking. Okay, first of all, we need to draw a retracement from 2 to the 1, 3 that we thought that we finished. We did the 61.844, so it's pretty good, right? But the question now is, what did we do between 1 and 2? Well, we also did below the 61.7. So what does this tell us? To me particularly, that tells me that wave 3 is probably not yet done yet. Okay, guys? That's what it tells me. And I will explain why. Because we prefer to see a 38.2 Fibonacci retracement for wave 4. Since we did the 61 over here, that's what we are expecting for wave 4. Okay, rule of alternation. We have an elongated wave 2 here. We have a short one. We will probably get a short one here, but it has to be shallow, which makes me think probably then wave 3 is here, and then that wave 4 is here. Is this valid? Let's check. The same rule. We'll go from here. Oops, excuse me. We go from here to here. We did the 61.8. Let's have a look what we did over here from 2. Yeah, from 2 to 4. We're talking about the minor degree now, guys. Yes, I hope you understand, you follow. Let's look at this. But that's much better. Yeah, it's between 50 Yeah, and 61, which is much better. I really prefer this count, to be honest. Okay, I do prefer this count. What we could do now, right, since we are we've identified what count we prefer, we can go a little bit closer, guys, yeah? And we can try to identify what's really happening over here, right? First of all, we do have a five-wave move up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We can clearly see that, right? And this is an A, B, and a C, okay? The question is, okay, what do we have here? We had 3, and you had another 1 and 2 over here, yeah? And then that correction over here. So which means, guys, yes, which means that obviously wave 4 is down here, yeah? And this is the ABC, and we get that correction over here, which means then now, what we want to do really, since we're looking at a new wave, we're going to take that bottom and that bottom over here, yeah? Apply the same rule as we did in the previous channel, yeah? And see where we can expect prices to go. Now, the good news is that we trade above the medium regression line of this channel, right? Which is above the 6.89. As long as we remain above that level, yeah, there is good chances that we might go and hit that level up here, which is around the 14, perhaps even the 16. It depends on the time, because we're looking at meeting this trend line at some point in the time in future, yeah? If it's going to be obviously like in March, not going to be 25. It's going to be now, 24th of February, then it's going to be around 12. Yeah, you get the point. So here's what we can do in this case. We can go in the shorter channel, okay? And take 1, take the 2, yeah, and take the bottom. So here's what we've done. 1, 2, yeah, we crossed outside. We had a rejection back to the median regression, and we remain above. Still, 6.4 is our level. Okay, are we going to see a correction? It's possible we can see a correction, yes. But as long as we remain, guys, first of all, yeah, above 6.5, and then, yeah, above 5.25, we are still looking for another leg to the upside to finish wave 5, okay? Now, if you want another level, and I can use the Fibonacci over here, okay, for wave 5, because I can go between 2 and 3, yeah, and 4, since I've got them correctly now, and there we go. We can do, yeah, we just broke the 100 Fibonacci, so the next level up is $10, okay? So I think this pretty much tells you a lot about today's educational video, okay, guys? So if you like the video, do show your appreciation. If you're looking at this video and you like it and you have not subscribed, then also subscribe, because you will support this group and you will support other people that they have been actually in your place. If you are new or not, I don't know, but those who are not new, guys, there is guys that they're actually where you were, months or years back. So it's important that they at least have some educational sort of information about what is going to happen with the particular altcoin, okay? So that would be, of course, a lot appreciated. Thank you very much for watching, guys. We'll speak again tomorrow. I'm not sure what pair I'm going to see. Maybe overnight I will just pick something, because I will say move it. But until then, take care.